Hey, what's up guys? This is BlackjackElectronics.com, and right now we're going to feature the item number 150, which are the controller grips. Now these are designed specifically for more ergonomic feel, because as you can see here, I have a Nintendo Wii controller. Playing Super Mario, games like that, or games that you would require the controller to hold horizontal, you know, to me, it gives me carpal tunnels. I don't want no carpal tunnel or anything like that. So check this out. This is the controller grips. Now, it slips on your remote easily. Now, these are plastic attachments, but this is a cool plastic attachment. Not like those guns or anything that fail after, a couple uses. But check this out. So now you've got grips. You've got the grip for playing Super Mario. You can move it around, and it actually doesn't block the infrared patch here, so you can play. You can point it to your screen if you need to navigate through your Wii menu screen, and has your button here that you can push, the top left trigger for your B button. Check that out. No more carpal tunnel. There you have it. BlackjackElectronics.com.